been nominated to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Jessica. Oliver, stop. I've donated and I encourage others to do the same. You can do so at alsa.org. I think it's great how much awareness has been raised for this terrible disease, and hopefully there will be a cure someday. So yeah, I would like to nominate Andrew, Amanda, and Gabby to do the challenge and donate. Oliver wants to eat the ice. He doesn't want me to dump it on my head. But here I go. Oops. Oh, we're so freaked out right now.